Are you constantly forgetting advice from calls, tutorials, or videos? Do you waste hours rewatching things just to find that one important detail? What if you could capture it all automatically in just 5 minutes? There's a free AI tool that does exactly that. Go to Otter AI right now. Click Try Otter for free or Get Started. If you have Gmail, choose Google. It's fastest. Pick your account, allow access, and you're in. That's it. You now have 300 free transcription minutes every month. No credit card, no trial, just a free account. Alright, now let's talk about what this tool actually is. Otter AI is a transcription tool that listens to audio and converts it into written text in real time. It works with meetings, voice memos, phone calls, lectures, webinars, podcasts, anything involving spoken words. You record something or upload audio, and Otter gives you a searchable, editable transcript. Now here's why this matters if you're broke, stuck, or overwhelmed. You're probably dealing with information overload. You watch tutorials, attend Zoom calls, have conversations with clients or mentors, record voice notes while driving, and then what? Most of that information disappears. You forget the details. You don't take notes, or your notes are scattered across random apps and notebooks. You end up rewatching videos or asking people to repeat themselves because nothing stuck. Otter fixes this. It captures everything automatically. You don't have to scramble to write things down. You don't have to pause and rewind videos. Everything gets transcribed, saved, and organized in one place. You can search through your transcripts like you search Google. You type a keyword, and Otter shows you exactly where it was mentioned. If you're trying to build something from scratch, Otter makes sure nothing slips through the cracks. You won't waste time, and you won't forget the advice that could change everything. Otter helps you hold on to information so you can actually use it. And the free version gives you 300 minutes a month. That's about 10 hours. For most people starting out, that's more than enough to get real value without spending $1. Let me show you the absolute simplest way to use Otter right now. We're going to record a voice note and turn it into text in less than 3 minutes. Once you're logged into Otter, look at the top of your screen. You'll see a big button that says Record a conversation or just Record. It's usually red or blue. Click it. A pop-up will ask for permission to use your microphone. Click Allow. Now you're recording. You'll see a timer counting up, and the interface will show that it's actively listening. Here's what you do. Just start talking. Speak naturally like you're explaining something to a friend. Let's say you're working on starting a side hustle. You might say something like, I want to offer resume writing services for people in my area. My target customers are recent college graduates and people switching careers. I'll charge $75 per resume. I need to create a simple website and reach out to local career centers. I should also join some Facebook groups where people are job hunting. Now click the stop button. Immediately, you'll see the text of everything you just said appear on the screen. Otter transcribes while you talk, so it's already done. The text might not be perfect. Sometimes it mishears a word or two, but it's 90 to 95% accurate, and you can click any word to edit it. You can also add highlights, insert comments, or assign action items to specific parts of the transcript. Here's the real power move. Use this every single morning. Spend 3 to 5 minutes doing a brain dump. Talk about what you're working on today. Talk about what's frustrating you. Talk about ideas you have. Talk about problems you need to solve. Otter saves everything. Over time, you build a searchable library of your own thoughts. When you feel stuck 2 weeks from now, you can search your old recordings and find the clarity you already had. This costs nothing and takes 5 minutes. There's no excuse not to do it. So how is Otter different from tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or Grok? All of those are text-based AI assistants. You type a question or prompt, and they generate a response. They're excellent for brainstorming, writing, coding, answering questions, creating content from scratch. But they don't listen. They don't capture live audio. They're designed for creation, not capture. Otter is voice first. It's designed specifically to handle real-time audio. If you're on a Zoom call, Otter can join as a participant and transcribe the entire meeting automatically. If you're watching a training video on YouTube, you can use Otter to record the audio from your computer and get a full transcript. If you're interviewing someone for a podcast or having a coaching call, Otter captures every word without you lifting a finger. Here's the key distinction. ChatGPT and Claude help you create new content from scratch. Otter helps you capture and organize content that already exists in the world around you. They're not competitors. They're complementary tools that work together. You use Otter to record and transcribe something, then you paste that transcript into ChatGPT or Claude to summarize it, extract action steps, reformat it, or turn it into something new. Most people miss this. They use AI tools in isolation, but the real power comes from combining them strategically. Capture with Otter, process with AI. That's the workflow that changes everything and gives you back hours every single week. 1. Record client calls and never forget details. Capture what clients ask for, what you promised and agreed actions. Pull quotes for testimonials or case studies. Just let clients know you're recording for accuracy. 2. Transcribe tutorials and courses. Play the video while Otter records. Now you have a searchable transcript and can find the key tips in seconds. 3. Brainstorm content by talking. Record your ideas, then turn them into scripts, captions, or articles. Save time and avoid writer's block. 4. Keep a voice journal. Record quick updates about what worked, what didn't, and your next steps. Search old entries to spot patterns and track progress. Now let me show you a slightly more advanced move. We're going to transcribe a YouTube video and turn it into an actionable checklist you can actually follow. Go to YouTube and find any educational video that teaches something you want to learn. Let's say it's a 20-minute video about how to pitch yourself as a freelancer and land your first clients. Don't just watch it passively. Open Otter on your computer. Start a new recording. Now play the YouTube video and make sure Otter is capturing your system audio. You can test this by watching the Otter interface. You should see words appearing as the video plays. Different computers handle this differently, but most modern systems allow you to capture internal audio. Let the video play all the way through while Otter records and transcribes. When it's done, you'll have a full transcript of the entire video sitting in your Otter dashboard. Now here's what you do. Read through the transcript. Don't skim it, actually read it. Look for the key actionable points, the specific steps, the concrete advice. In our freelancer pitch example, you might see things like research the client's business before reaching out. Send a personalized email with one specific idea you have for them. Follow up twice. If they don't respond, then move on. and offer a small free sample to prove your value before asking for payment. These are the pieces that matter. Highlight those sections in Otter. You can do this by selecting the text and clicking the highlight button, then copy the entire transcript. Open ChatGPT, Claude, or whatever AI tool you prefer. Paste the transcript and give it a simple prompt. Say something like, extract the 5 most actionable steps from this transcript and format them as a simple checklist I can follow today. The AI will give you a clean, organized list in seconds. Now you have a step-by-step action plan from a 20-minute video without taking manual notes or pausing and rewinding 50 times. You can do this with podcasts, webinars, recorded meetings, conference talks, anything. This is how you stop passively consuming content and start actively applying it to your life. Here's the weekly system. Pick one valuable piece of content. Could be a video, a podcast episode, a recorded call. Transcribe it with Otter. Extract the action steps with AI. Then actually do the steps. Don't just save the list. Do the work. That's how you learn faster than everyone else who just watches and forgets and stays stuck. Here's your daily system. Every morning, record a 3 to 5 minute voice note about what you're working on and what's blocking you. Once a week, transcribe one piece of content and extract the action steps with AI. Then do the steps. This tool won't fix your life overnight, but it clears mental clutter and saves you hours every week. Try it today and see how organized your thoughts can be. Go to otter.ai, create your free account and record your first voice note. That's it. Just try it.